It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Okay, you guys, I'm in a Dollar Tree and I'm looking for this barbecue sauce right here. Hickory smoke. Oh yes. Oh yes. I didn't get this kind last time. I think it was this one or that one. $5 worth of that. Look at that, they got taco sauce. What is the Italian dressing? I've seen these, but I do got some of that. I don't like thousand, I like French. Why they don't got the French? I don't know. But what else they got in here? Sweet hot mustard. Minced garlic, I already got that. So they got 3 packs of gravy mix in here. I wonder what that tastes like. Where's their sweet pickle relish? I'm gonna try it and see if theirs tastes good. Best Buy 3, 4, 24. Like, let me see this barbecue day. What's the date? Oh, they got July. July 23. I'll eat them up. But oh, I still got some ketchup. That ketchup alright, but it go away. I believe it's out of it pretty fast. I'm gonna try their spicy brown mustard. Y'all ever tried that? If you have, let me know in the comments. My glasses fogging up. Oh man, what else they got? Well, they got the blueberry muffin mix. They got the biscuits, $1.25. They got wild berry, that's a good one. And the biscuits, and they got cheddar cheese biscuits. I never tried the cheddar cheese. They got blueberry. They got all of the dang berries in here. Muffins. Brownie bites, I've never seen that. That ain't bad. $1.25. Cake mix, chocolate, yellow, strawberry, vanilla, classic white. And they got the little tiny jars of icing. That's cool. You don't need a lot of icing on your cake, no way. They got some Betty, oh, they got chocolate chip Betty Crocker cookies. I wonder what these taste like. I'm just gonna try, let me see. I'm gonna get some and cook them and see how they work out. I like chocolate chip. Okay, I think I'm gonna spend up my little $20. Yeah, I wish they cupcake holders were bigger. I need some bigger ones. I like the bigger ones. I already got some pan, almond milk, oat milk. I don't see no coconut milk. It's always oat, almond, and other, no coconut. But they got some Hungry Jack pancake mix. Oh, you could be doing good up here. Look at these little things of cereal. 2.2 ounce. Have you one bowl. They got stuffing mix. They got hot dogs. They got some sausages in here. They got little tiny ass pack of bacon. There's about 4 sticks in there. I know they got some good vegetables up in here. You ever tried their french fries? Oh shoot. I got the yeah, they got some french fries up in here. But it's a tiny little bag. It is not but a 14 ounce. Straight cut. Oh, they got some crinkle ones too. I use a snack. Those little vegetables don't look so bad. Oh, these look good, the peas and carrots, but you always gotta check the date on this stuff. I don't see no date on here. So this stuff could be iced over. They got cauliflower and cheese sauce. Enough for one person, 6 ounces. Oh, they got this good. January 11th, 2024. Oh, they got blueberries. What's the date? Oh, these is fresh until November. Oh. Jimmy Dean sandwiches. I don't be usually buying no food from Dollar Tree, but these are good croissant sausages and cheese. A lot of sodium. Look at this, they got an egg cheddar thing. I don't know about that. Egg and cheddar omelet. That's what it's, an omelet. They got a lot of food up here, waffles and stuff. Oh, look at this little tiny ass cheese. Ah, look at these tiny cheeses, y'all. 4 ounces. 4 little ounces of cheese. You can have some cheese and crackers for one person. That is so tiny. Frigo little tiny cheese. They got a little Lunchable. See that? That's cute. Wait. They got a little bag here now. Oh, this is good enough for 4 tacos. Little cheese. Well, how many ounces? 6 ounces. Yeah. Little tiny Lunchable. I need to get some dish liquid, but I don't feel like it. We already been down that out. Plumbing stuff, mop head, dust head, sponges. I need these little things for the stove. They feel rough. I need a soft. I don't know. This one might work for that black top stove. It don't feel too rough. This brand here. Let's try it. It don't feel like it'll scratch it up. I do got a bunch of Mr. Clean at the house though. I don't know what I'm tripping. Oh, these feel soft too. This one here. That don't feel so rough. It's going along. I need some gloves. What are those? I got a pair. Let's say large, medium, small, senior citizen. Yeah, right. 100 disposable gloves. I'm glad I already got some of those. Senior citizen gloves. Okay. Oh Lord, I'm at my favorite spot here. I love Renews It. I can smell it. It gives me a headache to eat it, but I can smell it. Doesn't bother me. Forever raspberry. I'm only doing $20. I got to go. If I got, probably because I got all these vegetable seeds. I got me some seeds. You guys. Okay. I don't be doing too much. But let me count my stuff. Every 4 items is $5. So I got 5 of the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10. That's 15. Shoot, I'm over 20. I'm gonna forget it. Let me get out here and go pay for my stuff. Thank you guys for coming along with me in the store. It's been fun. What's this stuff? I don't need that. I just came here to get what I need. Let me fill that place. Heck up out of here. Well, they got some tiny little storage bags. This thing's tiny. That's for some babies right there. That's tinier than the lunch for the sandwiches. Oh wow. Okay, okay. What's this? A veggie storage bin. They show us they're tiny. Ain't nothing but what? About 4 strawberries in here. They got a picture showing you more than that, but it ain't but 4 strawberries. Maybe 5. Gonna fit in there. Okay. I'm gonna gather myself together and get up out of here. Alright, y'all. I'll be seeing y'all in a minute. It's spirit boosting time.